And welcome, everyone. It's 6 o'clock. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Jennifer Hoff. Revenge porn. A new Oregon law makes that a crime, and for the first time, somebody has been convicted and sentenced to jail for it.
Benjamin Barber has been sentenced to 6 months of jail time. Barber becomes the very first person convicted under this new law that essentially makes it illegal to publish sexually explicit images of someone who did not give consent.
And our Emily Sinovic actually got to speak to this man. He kind of came out of nowhere, Emily.
Yeah, he kind of took us by surprise, and he had a lot to say. Now, he admits he took videos, sexually explicit videos of himself and his ex, and plastered them all over adult porn websites. But he also tells me he thinks he did nothing wrong.
If you put yourself in the victim's shoes in this case, the humiliation that person had was just, I couldn't imagine.
At first, I went to interview Sergeant Bob Ray about this case, but as our interview was wrapping up, I might ask you about really quick. The man convicted of revenge porn just shows up.
My name is Benjamin Barber.
Okay, and were you just recently convicted?
I certainly was.
What was the crime?
Revenge porn.
He wanted to defend himself.
I understand that the judge was increasingly offended by my arguments that if a person owns the copyright and it is them who appears in it, that they shouldn't be arrested or charged.
He says he's the victim. She's saying she may have consented at the time, but that doesn't make it okay to blast that video or those videos everywhere and continue to spread those videos. You disagree?
She was actually the one that tried to use them against me initially for the purposes of blackmail.
Devil's advocate here, a lot of people will listen to you and say, it sounds like a bunch of excuses and this guy just seems creepy.
Yeah, I understand people are going to think I look creepy. I have a blown out eye.
Not because of how you look, but because of what you've done.
Okay.
Do you disagree?
Have you never texted someone? Have you ever posted any images of yourself to someone? Does that make you creepy? Is it creepy to produce commercial pornography? Is every porn star a creep?
Is there anything else you'd like to add? Do you think this law is legit?
I think it's literally unconstitutional.
So there you have it. He had quite a bit to say. He also tells me he is suing the state of Oregon for violating his First Amendment rights. But again, he will be in jail for about 6 months. Reporting live, I'm Emily Sinovic, KOIN 6 News.
Now let's